Yalla, get up there!
Move along now, gently.
Come on, move forward. Easy now.
Keep him steady on the ramp. Next one is ready.
Slowly now. Keep coming straight back.
You're clear on the left. Pull forward slightly.
Easy now. Keep it straight.
Bay 3 is clear. Bring the next one forward.
Steady, steady. Watch your step there. Keep them moving slowly now. Straight ahead, follow the line. Move along now, gently.
Vitals are optimal. Proceeding to skeletal density scan.
Acknowledged. Data stream looks clean.
Steady now, walk straight ahead. Come along smoothly through here.
Easy now. Step forward into the scanner.
Data looks good on panel 3. Send the next one through.
Camel 42 showing elevated heart rate on sector gamma.
Acknowledged. Running secondary diagnostic now.
Synchronized scan cycle across all bays.
Confirmed. Data stream looks stable.
Check the alignment on station 42.
Looks stable. Initiating scan sequence B.
Scan sequence initiated on all bays.
Data stream is stable. Core temperature holding at 37.5.
Look at the fluctuation on the cardiac rhythm here. It's unusual.
The blood panel suggests optimal hydration. Let's cross-reference the MRI data.
Keep the line straight, gentlemen. We are securing the next bay.
Line 3 is running at full capacity, Supervisor.
Acknowledged. Maintain current speed.
ensure the alignment is perfect on this batch.
Already checked, moving to the next.
Place it gently on the top stack.
All right, next one coming through.
Make sure the labels are facing out.
Final checks complete. We are good to go.
Roger that. Proceed.
From desert camels to million-dollar luxury shoes, and you won't believe what happens inside this factory.
You see camels in the desert, but inside this factory, they become luxury shoes worth thousands.